Hello children, welcome to your mathematics class. Today we are going to cover exercise 1.4 of the number system. In this exercise we are going to study representation of real number on the number line. It is one of the easy exercise of this chapter. As you all know that real number includes both rational number and irrational number, and we have already studied the representation of rational as well as irrational number on the number line. We already know how to locate 3 by 4, 5, 0, under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, and so on the number line. So we have learned to solve them. Now the question arises, what we are going to do in this exercise. As you all know that rational and irrational numbers both give us decimal expansion, like these were termed as terminating, non-terminating, as it's 5 bar written over here. Then the value of pi, that would be 3.14 and goes on. Then 3.57821, this is also goes on. So this is also non-terminating, non-repeating. So in order to locate these expansion on a number line, we are going to study this exercise 1.4. So let's get started. To locate terminating, non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating on a number line, this can be done through successive magnification method. Now, what is successive magnification? As you all know, magnifying glasses, that means in order to see something accurately, we are going to magnify that thing. This is how we are going to do this exercise. As you know that on a number line is divided into 10 partitions. Suppose if you want to locate 1.5 on a number line, then it should be coming in between 1 and 2. So it will be how much? We have to divide 1 and 2 into how many parts? 10 parts. Then the foremost would be 1.1, then 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and then 2. So 1.1 will be the answer. Now if I say that you have to locate 1.54, then you can see that you can easily go through that 1.54 will be coming in between 1.6 and 1.7. This can be come only in between 1.6 and 1.5 and 1.6, right? So we are going to magnify this. Now 1.5 and 1.6. Now we are going to divide it into 10 partitions. Then the foremost will be 1.51. If you look over here, the foremost will be 1.51, then 1.52, 1.53, 1.54, 1.55, 1.56, 1.57, 1.58, 1.59, then 1.6. Now we have to locate 1.54. So where is that number? Here. So this is how you are going to locate by the process of successive magnification. Now let's take some example. Now the question says locate 3.895 on the number line. So first we have to find out 3.895. So you can easily go through that. It will be coming in between of 3.3 and 4. This number will be coming in between 3 and 4. So we are going to magnify 3 and 4 to find 3.8. Initially we will find 3.8, then 3.89, then 3.895. So now we are going to magnify 3 and 4. So Again, we have to divide it into 10 partitions. Then we will get 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, and then 4. So the question was 3.89. So where it will be going to lies between 3.8 and 3.9? Got it? That 3.8 and 3.9. It will be going to lies in between them. So now we are going to magnify 3.8 and 3.9 to find what? 3.89. Now let's magnify 3.8 and 3.9. So by magnifying 3.8, we will be getting 3.81, 3.82, 3.83, 3.84, 3.85, 3.86, 3.87, 3.88, 3.89, and then 3.9. So the number was 3.895. So this will going to lie in between 3.89 and 3.9. Now we have to magnify this number 3.89 and 3.9. So when we magnify this number, we will be getting 3.89, 3.891, 3.892, 3.893, 3.894, 3.895, 3.896, 3.897, 3.898, 3.899, 3.9. So 3.895 we have successfully marked it. So now we have located one more example of this decimal expansion representation. We have taken example 11 of your exercise. Visualize the representation of 5.37 dash on the number line up to 5 decimal places. So it is saying up to 5 decimal places, then it will be 5.37777. Now 5.3777 will going to lie in between 5 and 6. So we have to magnify 5 and 6. Now again, we are going to magnify 5 and 6. The numbers will be 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, and then 6. So 5.377 will going to lie in between 5.3 and 5.4. So now we have to magnify this. Again, we will make that number line from 5.3 till 5.4. We have to magnify in order to get 5.377. This is going to lie in between 5.37 and 5.38. Now again, we have to magnify this. Now coming forward to this, then we will get 5.37 until 5.38. We have to magnify we have to find 5.3777. This is going to lie in between 5.377 and 5.378. Again, we have to magnify this. No, 5.377 till we have to magnify it till 5.378. We are going to magnify it then 5.3771, 5.3772, keeps on till 5.378. Now this number 5.3777 and 7 will be after 5 up to 5 decimal places will going to lie in between 5.3777 and 5.3778. Then now we have to magnify this in order to find 5.37777. Now lastly, we are going to magnify from 5.3777 to 5.3778. Look over here, I have magnified it Now, here you are getting the point 5.3777 and 7. This would be your answer. This is how you can magnify any decimal expansion. So, this is how you can complete this exercise. We will meet again soon with our next video. Till then, stay safe and stay at home.